Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the motherboard in your Xiaomi Redmi 9A. So as you see, we have here a motherboard 9A, okay, and we'll be changing with the new one. So let's get started. First of all, we need to lift up the SIM card tray and gently with the plastic tool we need to take off the back cover of the phone.
Rzeczy, BMS-y różne.
Oh, it's hard to take it off. Maybe we'll try from the upside here. Maybe it will be. No.
Aj. No ja takie...
It's a little bit complicated. Okay.
Co to jest do?
Okay, and now we're gonna lift up this cover.
Nie jest.
Ta-da! Nice. Now unscrew all the screws here from the back. Okay. Now disconnect all the flags. And this is our main board. Let's check it out if the new one is the same. Yes, it's exactly the same motherboard. Okay. This is the old thermopasta. Remove it, and we're gonna take the new one. But firstly, let's take the camera out. Front camera and the back camera. This is the thermopasta. I should clean the old pasta from here. As you see, there is here the second place for the pasta. Okay, I think it's enough. Now just put the motherboard in the phone, and it will be all the operation. Okay, before we put the back cover, let's try if it's working. Nicely, it won't Eat, way, walk. I hope that. Let's see if the network work. Not now. As you see, we have the network here, so the operation is done. So I'm happy about that. Now you need to only gently push the all screws here on the back in the right hole. Put the cover on the back of the phone, and it will be all of this. So at the ending speech, you can change your motherboard if you have plenty of fault in your phone. In my case, will be now no network. Some parts of motherboard was being destroyed, and cheapest way to repair it was buying a new mainboard and just change it. Okay. Let's take a look around the phone. Is all the back cover is well installed? If yes, you can also check the charging, if it's working. No, it have a micro USB. So if it has micro USB, so let's try it. Yep, it's charging. And that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. See you by next video. Hey.